Just doing a side-by-side comparison of the AC Delco caliper pads and rotors for the 2001 GMC 3500. This one's a dually, but you know, it's all the same in the front. These are definitely the original calipers. The bolts were pretty well on there. I like that the AC Delco's so nice and galvanized. Everything checks out. Same measurements. The calipers seized on this. These brakes have looked pretty much the same over the past year. They haven't really gotten much wear, but you can tell the difference. The AC Delco is definitely beefier. Rotors as well. These rotors actually have quite a bit of meat left on them, but since I got everything ripped apart, might as well just toss the new ones out. And these AC Delcos are pretty beefy as well. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out, and I'll do a little follow-up once they're on there so you guys can see how they fit. Alright, signing out. And it's all put together. As you can see, pads, rotors, caliper, all fits just fine. Not really a how-to video, just showing you how the pieces fit. It's it's fairly simple to do. Take off your tire, take off your caliper, take off your spacer, replace it all with new stuff. Alright. Like and subscribe if you're into these kind of videos and you have a similar truck. I'll keep making more. Till then, let's keep our trucks on the road.